Things look dry right now. Not a big change from what we're looking at currently with our temperatures and very clear skies. Here's a live look at your Hill Country camera. It is just beautiful outside today. We have had temperatures starting out in the mid to low 60s, and then this afternoon we're in the low to mid 80s right now. Here's your temperatures in the Hill Country: 84 in Llano, 80 in Burnett, low 80s all the way through our eastern counties. Here in town, 83 degrees with clear skies at Camp Mabry, mostly clear, and 83 out at ABIA. But check out our dew points, 40s right now. That is very dry air in place, and that's why it feels just so gorgeous outside. We're going to continue to see these very nice conditions through the rest of your evening, and that northerly wind between 5-15 miles an hour will continue to bring in some of that dry air and even some cooler conditions we're looking at for the rest of your weekend. Here's what you can expect tonight, though. Currently, 83 degrees will stay clear all the way through 10 p.m. But look at the temperature down to the upper 60s by 10 p.m. It's going to be a little bit cooler tonight than it was this morning. We'll hit the upper 50s early tomorrow morning. Currently across the state, we have low to mid 80s across the board, mainly from central Texas down towards the coast. But if you look up to our north, Dallas 81, north of Dallas towards Oklahoma City 72 degrees. We have a weak cold front stretch right across the Oklahoma-Texas border. That's why temperatures to the north a little bit cooler. And this front is actually going to move south as we go through the overnight hours today, bringing some of that cooler air here into central Texas by tomorrow. That means we're going to see even a cooler day to start out on your Monday, and temperatures for the first part of this week are actually going to stay in the low 80s. It's going to be a little more fall-like over the next couple of days anyway. With this front, though, we don't have any moisture here in central Texas, so we're not going to see any sort of cloud cover developing or really any chance for rain. It's going to be a dry frontal patch. It's kind of washing out as it moves into central Texas. But in the upper levels of the atmosphere, our pattern doesn't change too much. We continue to have high pressure centered over the southwest, and with that a ridge right over Texas. So our weather pattern not shifting through Monday and even through next week. This pattern doesn't move all that much. So as we look ahead to next weekend with ACL Festival, things still look dry. Temperatures, though, could be just a degree or two warmer. Tonight, here's what you can expect. Temperatures in the Hill Country, low to mid 50s out there. We're looking at mid 50s to upper 50s here in the metro area and along our eastern county. For tomorrow, temperatures a little bit cooler than what we saw today. Mid 70s for the Hill Country, upper 70s, low 80s here in the metro area, and then along our eastern counties as well. In Austin tonight, down to 58 degrees. Clear skies still. Places in the Hill Country a little bit cooler. For tomorrow, 80 your afternoon high. Lots of sunshine, though, and our 7-day forecast shows temperatures again cool into Monday and Tuesday. 52 degrees there, low 80s for your afternoon highs all the way through the end of the week. ACL Festival, though, notice those afternoon temperatures just a touch higher.
Now, you remember that heavy rain that we had last